Hey guys, today I'm very excited to share with you how I make my famous Jamaican cornmeal pudding. This is actually a very easy pudding to make and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So we're going to start off by sifting 3 cups of cornmeal and 1 cup of regular flour. After which we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Then we're going to grate roughly 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. You can use ground nutmeg if you already have that in your pantry. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. And now we're just going to whisk to combine all of our ingredients and make sure that they are evenly distributed. And now it's time to make our mixture. So with the stove on medium heat, we're going to pour 2.5 cans of coconut milk, which is equivalent to roughly 4.5 cups of coconut milk, into a pan on medium heat. We're going to add 1 cup of water. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and roughly a tablespoon of almond essence. And for butter, we're going to use unsalted butter, and we're going to use roughly 2 tablespoons. We're going to add in our sugar at this point, and we're going to use 2 cups of sugar, brown sugar. Then we're going to just mix it around thoroughly, make sure the butter is melted. And we're doing this again on medium heat. We do not want to bring the mixture to a boil. Then we're going to add some raisins. If you don't like raisins, you can just leave the raisins out. We just want to mix. And now we're going to combine our wet and dry ingredients. So now we're going to add half of our mixture to the dry ingredients. So we're just going to whisk that around. It's going to form a nice smooth batter. And we're going to add the remaining half. And we just whisk that around thoroughly, and it's going to be more liquid. Definitely want to give it a good whisk. So now we're going to line our pan. So I'm using a 12-inch springform pan. I'm just going to, at this point, I'm just lining my parchment paper to conform to the shape of the pan, and then I use a scissors to clip off the excess edges. Then I give my mixture one last whisk before we pour it in. So we're just going to pour all our mixture into the pan. And now we're going to use our spoon to help spread the raisins evenly across the bottom of the pan. We go into the oven at 370 degrees for 1 hour. If you're still watching, please like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and families. And now we're going to make a soft top. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're just going to bring that to a boil. And then 15 minutes before we finish baking our pudding, we're just going to pour this over the top of our pudding and just swirl it around to make sure it goes evenly across the surface. We'll put back that in 15 more minutes, and here we go. Nice and golden. Beautiful texture just by the look of it. Now we're removing the springform pan, and we're gonna peel off the parchment paper. We're cutting right through, as you can see, very soft like butter. And we're going to plate it. So I cut this around 20 minutes after I took it out of the oven. As you can see, the steam is still coming off. And yes, this was absolutely phenomenal. My friends and neighbors enjoyed it. Yeah, if you're still watching at this point, please go ahead and tell me what you'd like me to make in my next video. And again, please subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends and family about this channel. Again, guys, please remember to leave a comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.